been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. I've been sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart.
Was a magic clown in the circus, and he gave me this book, and he said it was a magic coloring book. Now look, first I'm going to show you the book, okay? So look, in the book there was all pictures of the circus. Okay, you see in the circus that my uncle was in, there were elephants. Can I hear your best elephant sounds? Come on, you guys can be loud. How about your best tiger roar? Oh, very good. There was the ringmaster. He wore a blue coat. Now we also had seals. Give me your best seal sounds. Good, good. How about your best clown sounds? Clowns don't make sounds. Now remember I said it was a magic coloring book, right? So this is what happened. One day I went to go color the book, and I had all my favorite colors. I had black and purple and blue and green, right? Can you see them? So what I did is I went to go pick up one of the crayons, and they had all disappeared. Every single crayon. So I called up my uncle and I said, I tried to color the book, but all my crayons disappeared. And he said, they didn't disappear. Imagine that they're all just invisible and they're floating above in the air. So everybody imagine that. And with one hand, reach up and grab your favorite color. Okay, now we're all going to magically color the book together. So we're all going to throw our colors at the book on the count of 3 while we say the magic words, hocus pocus. All right, you ready? On the count of 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Now when y'all did that, did you see the book wiggle and jiggle? Yeah. Yeah? You did? Well, I hope you guys colored inside the lines, and if you did, give yourselves a big round of applause. How'd you do? You guys did awesome. Awesome. See, there's the ringmaster. He wore a blue coat. There's the seal and the birds and the clowns. But guess what? We're going to do another show later, and I want to share this with everybody else. So now we have to reverse the magic spell. Do you guys know how to reverse the spell? We say the magic words backwards. That's right. Oh, we're there. Yes, that's right. We say pocus hocus. So on the count of 3, everybody yell hocus hocus. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hocus hocus. Who said Pocahontas? You said Pocahontas. All right. Well, hopefully it didn't mess up the book, but I think now we have our book back to normal, right? No. What? Oh no! It must have been the person that said Pocahontas. It was you? All right, well, try to say it right this time. What's your name? Isabella? Isabella, really loud, say, hocus pocus! this? All right, and if it works, give Isabella a big round of applause. Isabella, did it work? Yeah, we're going back. Give her a big round of applause.
It was the 3rd of September, a day I always remember. Yes, I will, 'cause that was the day that my daddy died. Oh, I never had a chance to meet him. Never heard nothing but bad things about him. Mama, I'm depending on you to tell me the truth. You know what she said? She just about here to say, Papa was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home. And when he died, all he ever lived was alone. Hey, if you know it, sing it. Papa was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home. And when he died, all he ever lived was alone. And when he died, oh, he ever lived was alone. Hey, give it up.
All right, we're spinning the hula hoops this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, spin. Spin them, spin them, spin them. Get it around, get it around. Get the body, get it through. Don't break your hand off. She's like, come here. Oh no, we're down. We got 2 together there. Go, 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 go. Oh no. She looks like that, like the dude in the sphere. That's awesome. She's like, how do I do this? Good job, princess. Good job. All right, let's put this right over here. Zoop. All right, ready? We're spinning this way again. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, switch. Spin it the other way, the other way, the other way. Go, go, go. Oh my goodness. DJ rocked you on that one. Good job, guys. Knocked out 2. Grab hands right here. Oh man. All right, sir. I don't know if you realize the caliber
of this experience that you were the last dude left. You were surrounded by chicas. Can you do this, man? All the fellas say, ah! And just so you know, that spit is for free. It comes with the DJ package, so sorry about that. All right, ready? All right, we're going this way. 1, 2, 3, spin, go! Go, go, go. Come on, make some noise for them, people. We're down to the final few. Come on, go, 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 go. Get it off quick. Oh, man, it got on you, buddy. She got you. We are down to the final 3. 1 hula hoop, 3 chicas. Hey, thanks, dude, for being the last man standing. All right, what's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley. What's your name?
Ashika.
Ashika and?
Lena.
Lena. All right. Ashika, Ashley, Lena. If you would have been Lena, it would have been perfect, you know, like AAA thing going. All right, but anyway. All right, so are you ready, ladies? Let's give a big round of applause for our last final 3. Ready, set, go. Spin it, spin it, spin it. You're gonna have a good time tonight. Just so you know, the DJ shows no partiality. You can notice he's looking down, not at the competition. Spin, 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 spin. Oh! We lost the sparkler! Down she went! All right, now guess what happens now? Now it becomes good old-fashioned hula hoop competition. You have yours, she has hers. Come over here for a second, sweetheart. All right. The winner of the DJ package is going to be one of these 2 ladies. All right, let's hear it for Ashika. Okay, y'all totally missed it on his first key points go. Let's hear it for Ashika. Woo! Let's hear it for Ashley. Yeah! All right, here it is. When I say go, just start spinning. 1, 2, 3, go. Spin it, spin it, spin it. It's all right. Who's going to be the winner?